Hello from American Farm Products. Today we are going to be taking a deep dive into our drone program. The first thing we are going to see is our inventory manager. Our drone will fly all silage piles on the dairy and take photos to stitch together and create a 3D image. From this 3D image, we can get the total volume in cubic feet. From there, if we input density and dry matter percentage, we can get total tons as fed or dry matter. We then create our drone dashboard to be able to send to our dairy farmers and nutritionists. If we fly the pile more than once, we can also get feed-through rate, which will allow us to predict run-out dates for all in-style crops. This program is a great tool to double-check inventory levels, even if you wait in and wait out, or if you do not have scales on farm. The new program takes that same 3D image and allows us to create and measure piles. In this example, our dairyman wanted to split his corn silage pile to two piles that are 15,000 tons each. He knew he wanted 30 feet in between his haylage pile and the start of the new pile. We then created a 15,000-ton pile with a 3-to-1 slope to ensure the best pack. We then created 30 feet in between again and created a new 15,000-ton pile. As you can see in the video, the pile goes of the concrete pad and into the field. The great thing is we now know how much concrete they need to pour. Also from this we get GPS coordinates on where to put the corner of each pile. We will also know what the ideal plastic configuration and amount of tires to cover each pile is. Please reach out to your local American Farm Products representative if you are interested in getting any of our drone services done.